Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening taskbar settings and unlocking the bar if it's locked. This lets you change alignment. Once done, go to taskbar behaviors and note the current alignment is left. Make sure you're in an account with permission to apply changes. You'll switch settings and, if needed, add a spacer or use a third-party utility. Follow each step in order so changes apply cleanly, and keep the settings window open for the next steps. You change taskbar alignment to center in taskbar behaviors. That's the fastest built-in method. If icons don't reposition, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to force the update. Once centered, pin or unpin apps strategically to keep the visual weight balanced around the center. Move frequently used apps closer to the middle. If you need fine-grained spacing, add app groups or use small taskbar buttons. These choices control. You can achieve pixel-perfect centering with a tool like Taskbar X. Install, configure center mode, and set it to start with Windows. Once configured, make sure no other shell extensions conflict by disabling them temporarily. If you need to revert, set alignment back to left and restart Explorer or uninstall the tool. Troubleshoot misalignment by checking for pending Windows updates or display scaling differences across monitors. Those often cause shifts. If problems persist, reboot and test with a clean user profile to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.